Hello, everyone. Are you ready to see the world through a different lens? Nature holds countless secrets waiting to be revealed through every frame. Earthpulse is here to join. In Currumbin Waters, Queensland, a giant carpet python shocked Rachel Jelly when it suddenly dropped down from her garage door.
Snake.
One family was stunned to see a giant carpet python stretch from their rooftop to a tree before crashing down onto their patio table.
Don't be scared. It's not a lion. You're gonna go.
Proceed to the route.
Kimberly Clark's video captured the python slowly slithering into the roadside grass, an impressive yet concerning sight. How would you react in such a situation?
This is the biggest snake I've ever seen in my whole life. Oh my god.
It looks beautiful, but this is bioluminescent algae bloom, a phenomenon both mesmerizing and ecologically alarming. These tiny creatures are harmless individually, but in large numbers they're certainly unforgettable. The hidden power beneath Yellowstone, an unexpected eruption sending water shooting sky high like a geyser under pressure. Merritt Island, Florida was suddenly struck by intense hail and strong winds, turning backyard pools into a frothy white storm. Footage from the scene shows an entire structure being swept away like a toy crushed by the unstoppable force of rock and earth.
Nice bull. Beautiful. There's the other one. Yes, yes. We'll take it. Let's go.
In Garland, Texas, a 15-foot python sent residents into a panic, slithering across yards and even cornering one person onto the roof of a truck. While legend says St. Patrick banished all snakes from Ireland, Dubliners recently encountered a giant python estimated between 7 to 10 feet long in Shanganagh Park. The massive python amazed everyone as it climbed straight up a tree trunk with expert-level skill. In downtown Austin, a robot cowboy wearing a real hat zipped through the streets, turning heads and sparking smiles. Moments like these are both awe-inspiring and a reminder of nature's raw power. Don't forget to like and follow to explore more of the ocean's strangest and grandest behaviors. Hundreds of bees suddenly gathered around a flower pot, causing passersby to stop and take notice. A special moment, a python usually lounging on the porch left its spot to sip rainwater. In Ruidoso, New Mexico, a flash flood swept away fences and utility poles in just minutes, leaving a trail of devastation. A murmuration of starlings moved like one unified body, graceful and perfectly synchronized. These moments not only look beautiful, but also remind us of the strength of unity. From above, Carver, Massachusetts glows red with cranberry bogs flooded for harvest. A truly stunning sight. Do you think this is a reverse lightning strike or just an optical illusion?
What the heck, bro?
The Timpanogos avalanche, both breathtaking and dangerous, shows how fragile mountain landscapes are against nature's fury. The sky over Nagasaki suddenly lit up as a fireball streaked across, leaving a vivid blue trail that lit up the entire scene.
How's this for a comfortable snake?
A quiet afternoon in Queensland got interesting when a snake expert discovered an uninvited guest snoozing on an outdoor sofa.
Yeah, she's found a pretty comfortable spot on your outside couch area. Oh, hello there.
A 14-foot reticulated python turned an entire house into its personal gym, slithering along the balcony. With an average length of 10 to 20 feet, this is one of the longest snake species on Earth. A powerful snowstorm blanketed Tennessee, prompting emergency alerts. Yet amid the cold, the coordinated dance of snowplows became an unexpected highlight. Security footage captured a dust devil swirling around a woman before vanishing into the sky. Do you find these small, sudden phenomena fascinating or frightening? These moments remind us that art and nature are often interwoven with deeper human messages. Don't forget to like and follow for more inspiring stories. Not only does this dog keep control of the ball during turns, it also flicks it up with finesse, a top-tier trick shot. On July 1st, a surprise dust storm hit the Las Vegas Valley, turning the familiar into complete chaos. Two back-to-back lightning strikes turned the sky over Mineral Wells into a terrifying yet spectacular light show. On March 9th, the Alaskan sky turned into a living painting as green auroras flowed across the night. Across Lake Michigan, glowing round ice pancakes bobbed near St. Joseph North Pier, some shimmering with a blue tint. When there's a sharp temperature difference, even hot water droplets instantly freeze into ice crystals, creating a floating ice cloud mid-air. Would you keep playing your match with a python like that in front of you?
Oh my god!
Fortunately, after about 7 hours, the water receded and the airport roads reopened. Moments like these remind us that flash floods can strike even the busiest and most modern locations.
Oh, just still go.
A surprisingly friendly encounter with a nurse shark reminds us not all sharks are scary.
Like a tornado, but it's on the water.
A rare moment that left everyone watching in awe. Do you find it beautiful or more terrifying? On June 14th, Arkansas was hit by an extreme storm, leaving cars dented, glass shattered, and hail piled high in the streets.
Is that?
That's a tornado.
Is
Joey,
that's
it's a tornado.
That stuff is that stuff flying around?
Mm-hmm.
Like, oh my god.
It's gonna hit the water and it's gonna stop.
Monster Haboo coming into Sky Harbor.
A massive dust wall engulfed Phoenix Sky Harbor, forcing the airport to shut down for nearly an hour.
It's a transformer. Yep. Wow. That is crazy.
The soft flowing aurora lights beneath the International Space Station remind us just how magical our Earth truly is. In South Lake Tahoe, a black bear turned a snowy day into its personal playground, rolling around joyfully like a child. And those moments were just the beginning of an endless journey. Follow the channel to keep exploring.